Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make these duct tape squishies. I really like them and they're really easy to make. So yeah, let's get started. So today what you're going to need is a roll of duct tape in a pattern that you like, some stuffing, and that's it. And then you can use scissors if you're not good at ripping duct tape. So first, you want to take your duct tape and rip about, so you want to find a size that you want it to be. I'm going to make mine this big, and then you want to double that, and then rip it. So yeah, and then you just want to fold that in half. And then when you're done with that, you're just going to make one more of those. So I'm going to take my duct tape and fold it in half. And then what you're going to do with these two is you want to find the pretty side. So for this one, instead of this like ugly wrinkled side, I'd rather use like the more smooth side. So you want to take your two pretty sides, flip them. No, keep the pretty sides like facing up like this on the table or wherever you're working. You want to take a small piece and you want to take like half of it and put it on one side like this. And then you want to take this one and you want to just like fold it over onto this side. That way it's one big piece, and then you fold that in half. And then you do the same thing to the other side. You rip another piece, put half of it on one side so that it's like this, and then fold it and put the sticky side on the other side. Then you want to take one piece that's as long as the bottom of your squishy, and then you want to stick it there so that about half of it is on this thing. Then fold it over, and then you have like a little pouchy thing. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your stuffing. I'm just using like pillow stuffing, and you just like stuff it in there. And then once you feel like you have enough, you want to take a piece of duct tape, which is as wide as your thing, like the width or the length or whatever, and you want to pinch it together. That way the stuffing is inside and you're holding it together with your hands. And you take your tape, fold it over the open edge, and you're done. And you have your squishy. So I hope you like the DIY, and yeah, bye. Bye.